Welcome to ROUEN Unusual. The voice was made via an online tool. Today, I'm taking you on my imaginary boat to talk to you about lawn bowling. For what? Because lawn bowling, in French Boulingrin, is the name of a square located in the Jouvenet train station district, on the right bank side. But what is the meaning of the word Boulingrin? Boulingrin, from the English bowling green, now called lawn bowling, alluding to the grassy field on which this game is played, is a bowling game originating in England. Commonly practiced throughout the Commonwealth, especially in the British Isles, Australia, and New Zealand, it is virtually unknown in other countries. Lawn bowling is similar to boules, in French, pétanque. The goal of the game is to throw balls in such a way as to place them as close as possible to a target. Particularity of the balls, they are not spherical, but slightly crushed at the ends. So, you guessed it. Boulingrin Square was a veritable playground for boulevard players, this carpet of grass where people played boules, and which the English called bowling green, now in French bowling green. However, over time, this square successively hosted the late 18th century horse market, the Circus of Rouen, and even the Rouen Exhibition Fair. Today, this square has been transformed into a parking lot. Note that if you use public transport, bus or metro, you can park your car there for free 24/7.